Welcome to the Creativity Hub. Today, we're diving into the fascinating science of sleep. Have you ever wondered why we spend about a third of our lives sleeping? Let's explore the mysteries of sleep and why it's so crucial for our health and well-being. Sleep is a universal activity, yet it's one of the least understood aspects of human biology. Despite being a natural part of our lives, the true purpose of sleep remains a topic of scientific research and debate. When we sleep, our brains are far from inactive. In fact, sleep is a highly dynamic state where critical processes take place, affecting our memory, mood, and overall health. Sleep is divided into two main types: non-rapid eye movement, NREM, sleep, and rapid eye movement, REM, sleep. Each type has different stages. We cycle through them multiple times each night. REM sleep is where most of our dreaming occurs. During this stage, our brain activity resembles that of being awake, yet our body remains largely paralyzed, a phenomenon known as REM atonia. One of the key functions of sleep is memory consolidation. During sleep, our brain processes the information we've learned throughout the day, strengthening important neural connections and discarding irrelevant ones. A good night's sleep is essential for both physical and mental health. It helps restore energy, repair tissues, and regulate important bodily functions. Sleep plays a crucial role in boosting our immune system. When we sleep, our body produces cytokines, proteins that help fight infections and inflammation. On the flip side, lack of sleep can lead to a range of negative effects, including impaired cognitive function, mood swings, and a weakened immune system. Prolonged sleep deprivation has even been linked to chronic conditions like heart disease and diabetes. Why do we dream? This is one of the most intriguing questions in sleep science. While the exact purpose of dreaming is still unclear, several theories suggest that dreams help process emotions, solve problems, and even inspire creativity. Throughout history, dreams have been credited with inspiring some of the greatest scientific and artistic achievements. For example, the structure of the periodic table and the idea for Frankenstein both came from dreams. During REM sleep, the brain regions involved in emotion and memory are highly active. This may explain why our dreams often reflect our current concerns or unresolved issues. What happens when we don't get enough sleep? The effects can be immediate and severe, ranging from difficulty concentrating to mood changes and decreased productivity. Sleep deprivation slows down cognitive function. It makes it harder to think clearly, make decisions, and remember information. It also increases the risk of accidents, both at work and on the road. Chronic sleep deprivation can lead to serious health problems. Studies have shown that consistently getting less than 7 hours of sleep per night increases the risk of obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. Welcome to the Creativity Hub. Today, we're unlocking the mysteries of the human brain. This incredible organ controls everything we do, think, and feel, but how much do we really know about how it works? Let's dive in and explore the power of the human brain. The human brain is the most complex organ in the body, containing approximately 86 billion neurons, each connected to thousands of others. These connections create an intricate network that powers everything from our thoughts to our actions. Different parts of the brain are responsible for different functions. Whether you're solving a complex problem, playing a musical instrument, or experiencing a wide range of emotions, it's all happening thanks to your brain. The brain can be divided into several major parts: the cerebrum, the cerebellum, and the brainstem. Each part has its own distinct functions, yet they all work together seamlessly. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain, responsible for higher cognitive functions like reasoning, memory, and voluntary movement. It's divided into two hemispheres, each controlling the opposite side of the body. The cerebellum, located under the cerebrum, plays a crucial role in balance, coordination, and motor control. It ensures that our movements are smooth and precise. The brainstem, connecting the brain to the spinal cord, controls essential life functions like breathing, heart rate, and sleep. It acts as a relay center, transmitting signals between the brain and the rest of the body. The brain processes information through a combination of electrical impulses and chemical signals. Neurons communicate with each other through synapses, where neurotransmitters carry the messages across. When you touch something hot, for example, sensory neurons send a signal to your brain, which quickly processes the information and sends a response telling you to pull your hand away. This entire process happens in a fraction of a second. The brain is also responsible for processing visual information. Light enters the eyes and is converted into electrical signals, which are then interpreted by the visual cortex. This allows us to make sense of the world around us. Memory is one of the brain's most fascinating functions, and it's largely controlled by a structure called the hippocampus. This small, seahorse-shaped region plays a key role in storing and retrieving memories. When you learn something new, it starts as a short-term memory. Through a process called consolidation, these memories can be transferred to long-term storage, where they can be recalled days, months, or even years later. Retrieving a memory is like replaying a mental video. Your brain accesses the stored information and brings it back to your conscious mind. However, memories aren't always perfect. Sometimes they can be influenced by new experiences or emotions. One of the most remarkable features of the brain is its plasticity. Neuroplasticity refers to the brain's ability to change and adapt in response to new experiences, learning, or even injury. When you learn a new skill, your brain forms new neural connections to support this learning. Over time, these connections can become stronger, making the skill easier to perform. Neuroplasticity also allows the brain to reorganize itself after injury. If one part of the brain is damaged, other parts can sometimes take over its functions, helping to compensate for the loss. Emotions are processed in a region of the brain called the amygdala. This small, almond-shaped structure plays a key role in processing emotions like fear and pleasure.